When you're using the equation editor to write mathematical expressions, you might also want to include words to explain what the expressions are within the equation editor, so you don't have to go in and out. But if you've done that, you may have noticed sometimes you get some strange spacing, some formatting issues, things like that. So I wanted to give you a brief video here to explain how you can actually write quote-unquote normal text within the equation editor so you don't have to bounce in and out. So let's open up the equation editor. You have this normal window, and you have these different tabs. The normal text button is right here under the first tab. And so what we do is we first type, this is the normal text since it is normal. Of course that doesn't make any sense, but you get the idea. So I wanted to point out here, you have a little bit of a strange formatting here with the word since. The SIN is straight up and down and the CE is italicized. That's partly because the equation editor notices the SIN is a common mathematical expression for the sine of x or the sine of theta. So it's sort of trying to render this trig expression or this word as a trig expression. To make this normal, you just highlight it all, and then you go to this normal text button, click it, and now you have normal text. You're still within the equation editor. This is not normal text. So if I want it italicized for some reason or another, I don't have to go back, highlight, and make this normal. Oops. So now, if I want to use the equation editor as I have in the past, I can do so. So I just have the same access to the equation formats and so forth. But again, if I want to make the text normal, I type it first, then I highlight it, and I go back and click on the normal text button. Then you hit insert. It'll still show up as this sigma. It won't render until I post. And there it is. This is normal text. And it shows you the text. It's a little bit bigger, but it is straight up and down. You don't get the strange spacing. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.